Plumbing emergencies always happen at the worst time, don't they? But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how Pioneer Plumbing and Heating can handle any emergency quickly and efficiently. First up, a burst pipe causing a flood. It's messy, it's stressful, but guess what? When you call Pioneer Plumbing, they'll drop everything and get to you fast. They'll not only clean up the water, but also find the source and fix the pipe, so you can avoid further damage. A washing machine hose leak may seem small, but it can lead to serious damage if left unchecked. Your call will be a priority, and they'll fix that leak before it becomes a bigger problem. Fast, simple, and no hassle. Dealing with a backed up toilet? That's never fun. But here's the good news. Pioneer Plumbing will be at your door as soon as possible to open the drain and get everything flowing smoothly again. Crisis solved. Now imagine stepping into a shower and no hot water. Not ideal, right? Whether it's a repair or a full replacement, Pioneer Plumbing and Heating will get your water heater back up and running, so you can enjoy your hot shower without the wait. And what if your furnace stops working? In the dead of winter, that's a problem. Pioneer Plumbing and Heating will rush over to diagnose the issue and get your furnace back in action, making sure your home stays warm and comfortable. So, no matter the plumbing emergency, burst pipes, leaks, or a cold house, Pioneer Plumbing and Heating has you covered. We'll respond quickly, fix the issue, so you can carry on with your day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more home care tips. Help is just a phone call away with Pioneer Plumbing and Heating. Call 604-872-4946 today, www.pioneerplumbing.com.